Basics of modeling comprise of vertices, edges, and faces. A vertex is something as simple as a dot in space, and an edge is two dots connected to each other. Once we add a third dot, vertex, we get a triangle. And once we add a fourth, we get a quad. And then once we add 5 or more, we get something called an n-gon. Once we add all these together, we get something as simple as a cube, which is multiple faces, quads, connected to each other. Faces are the main shapes we use to create models. As an example back here, we have a drone that is made up of faces, triangles, and such.